Hello guys, welcome back. Ain't found it yet, but we're going to try a little bit of dead. Try that, see what this one does. Not used to dead yet, so we'll try a bit of dead grass. Put a little bit in here. Yeah, put a little bit in there. Don't use much, that'll do. Right, we'll have a go with that. Put a lid on. Okay. Out comes the old magic. What I do, let's see if it works, guys. Have another go with the dead. Grab the end and that'll do, guys. Okie dokie. Where's that one? See if I lost the bag for that one. I think that is the dead down there. That was 4 mil, by the way, guys. We'll put that back. Saying that, I've got new pots for these, so let's put these in a new pot, shall we? Oh no, do it up. We'll do it after. Do it after. Got pots to put all this in and name them, so instead of city bags, just put in a pot. Yeah. There's the dead. Okay. See what we think. Right guys, we'll have a little look. See what you think. I'll bring your camera round. Okay, what I'll do is we'll do that there, and I'll hoover this off at the top if I can. See what it does. And we'll come back to that. We'll quickly hoover off. Give it a go. Take that off. Lift it up. But obviously it's not quite ready. We'll get a cloth, a bit of tissue, that'll do. Wipe the tray. Must admit, this stuff's a bit weird. It's good, but weird. The fines and everything else. I'll just get rid of that in the bin. Have a look. So we'll see the end result. Okay. Not too bad, the tray. Right, put the tray on there. That'll have to go back in. So what we'll do now is we'll lay this out here, guys. Turn this off. Yeah, that's a bit of mix. Seems to be sitting up, yeah, you know, so we've got a combination there, as you know. The 2 mil at the bottom, then we used a bit of autumn, didn't we? Then a bit of the old rubbish mixed, and then a bit of dead, which you can see the patchwork. Yeah, must admit it does come out well, guys. I'll give it that. Got a bit more work to do on my own, try and get it right. It's all trying to get it right and not ruining what you've got, you know what I mean. But I say, what I've done here, scraped out a little bit in the middle, doesn't matter, so because it still blends. So yeah, don't come out too bad. I've managed to get quite a bit off the fence, which is what I wanted to do. A little bit on there, but hey, can't be perfect, eh? But yeah, I'm quite pleased that I do. What's happened to me? There we go. This side didn't really need to do anything, guys. Looks alright. I vacuumed up what I could. I think there might be some more. I might vacuum a bit there. Crumbs. See what it goes. But yeah, other than that, yeah, this side's come out nice. Obviously it was a bit different. This was my first part, and that was the second to have a go at. But yeah, all good. Oh well, there you go, guys. As I say, there's the test rig. Too bad. Trying. See it work right. Anyway, thanks for joining me. Sorry about the mask, but you know, trying to keep away from these fines, because they say it is fiberglass. So bear that in mind when you use this stuff. So I'll just put a mask on, just as easy, to be safe. Well, thanks guys, see you soon, take care, see ya, bye.